Now I invite Miss Aman Chongi on the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about something very special. But before that, do you know who is your biggest fan? It's you. It's you. Yes, you are your own best friend. When you believe in yourself, means saying. Sometimes we feel scared. Like जब हमें स्टेज पर बोलना होता है या कुछ न्यू करना होता है. Our heart say, "What if make a mistake?" Believing in yourself means saying, I can do it, even if something feel hard and first. Let me tell you a small story. Once there was a little bird वो sky में बहुत हाई fly करना चाहती थी. But she was scared. She thought अगर मैं गिर गई तो she but she believed in herself. She flapped her wings and flew. She was so happy because she tried. We all have magic inside us. We call confidence. अगर हम इस magic को रोज यूज करेंगे तो we can do things. We can sing, dance, draw, play and learn new things. So my dear friend, we will believe, smile. We will never give up. We will try. Thank you.
You did a great job. Thank you. Let us welcome Hardik Shopta. Put your hands together for him.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hardik Sopta. I am from a beautiful village Jhadak, which is 22 kilometers away from the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. As far as my family is concerned, I live in nuclear family. There are 6 members in my family. My grandparents, parents, elder brother, sister and me. As far as my education is concerned, I am a student of 5th class at Glory International Public School. When I talk about my interests and hobbies, I like do too many things. I like reading books, I like cycling, I like swimming, I like dancing, I like singing, I like playing football, etc. But my hobby is drawing. I love drawing. My short-term goal to develop my communication and public speaking skills, and my career is goal to become an IAS officer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Hardik. You did a great job. Let's welcome Mr. Samarth Khangta on the stage.
Good morning everyone. Do you know the feeling when we come on the stage? Our legs feel like a jelly and our voice became tiny like a mouse and we want to run away. But wait, let me tell you a secret. The stage is our friend. It's just waiting for us to shine. Let me tell you a secret. Once a little rabbit had to say a poem on the stage, but वह बहुत डरा हुआ था. उसकी मम्मा ने उसे कहा, "You can do this. तुम्हें स्टेज पर पोएम बोलनी चाहिए." And guess what? He took a deep breath and smiled, got on stage and say his poem. Everyone clapped. He feel like a star. That is called confidence. Confidence means trying even if we are scared. So friends, next time you are scared on stage, just stand tall and say, "I am brave. I can do this." Because you all are little stars. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You give very inspiring speech. Thank you. Let us welcome Mr. Sadvik.
Good morning to all. My name is Satvik. I am from a beautiful village Kayani, which is 117 km away from the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. As far as my family is concerned, I live in a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family: my grandfather, parents, younger brother, and me. As far as my education is concerned, I am a student of class 7th in SVM School, Samoli Road. When I talk about my hobbies and interests, I like to do many things. I like cycling, I like swimming, I like reading books, I like playing football, etc. But my hobby is to play cricket and I love cricket. My short-term goal is to develop my communication and public speaking skills, and my career goal is to become an IAS officer. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadvik. You did a great job. Now I invite Mr. Indrish on the stage.
Over 7 million people die annually just breathing by polluted air. And yet, when we step outside, we take breath and think nothing for it. According to global health studies, air pollution kills more people than the war, smoking, and HIV combined. We often think environmental problem happens far away by melting glacier, burning forests, and polluted oceans. But reality is it happened right outside our windows. In 2020, Yamuna River in Delhi cleared during lockdown. First time in decades, people saw swimming fish. Why? Because factories stopped, cars stayed home, human paused. It doesn't need our new technology, it just needs stop us. As we burn garbages, waste water, and cut trees, then we complain for floods, heat waves, and global warming. Over more than 8 million ton plastic end up in the oceans. That's like a dumping truck full of plastic into sea every minute. Sea true eat plastic, think it's a jelly. Uh, birds feed plastic to their babies. Fish swallow microplastic, then we eat that fish. So yes, we are eating our own waste. But here is a good news. Protecting our environment is just not require us to be a responsible superhero. It requires us to be a responsible person. When you refuse garbage bag, when you cut a tree, when you save electricity, when you plant a tree, when you doesn't throw any waste on road, you are protecting someone's life, maybe your own. As you say, earth is our home, so we need earth. Doesn't promise to save whole world, just promise to not harm it. Because environment is not a luxury, it is necessary to survive. Thank you.
Mr. Indrish, you did a great job. Thank you. Let us welcome Darshit. Put your hands together for him.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Darshit. Today I teach you personality type. Anybody know what is personality type? Yes, you? Personality of a person. Yes, you are right. Sit down. Egoist. Me first. Ram is an egoist person. Egotist. People who talk about their achievements. Sham is an egotist person. Altruist. People who are interested in the welfare of others. Radha is an altruist girl. Introvert. People who are shy, reticent. I am an introvert and don't like public speaking. Extrovert. People who are outgoing, socially confident. He is an extrovert and he loves interact to people. Thank you.
Thank you, Darshit. You get a great job.